Hello and welcome. In this set of tutorial videos, I'm going to show you different methods of getting census information out into Excel so we can graph some basic trends. So to start, you can see I have my 1990 population density shapefile, my 2000 population density shapefile, and my 2010 population density shapefile. Now, the first method that I'm used requires a little bit of a setup in Excel. So if I go over to Excel, you can see I have a sheet here and I have my average population density here, and then I have 1990, 2000, 2010. So I use this method when I only have a couple of real quick facts that I want to grab out of the census. It doesn't take a lot of time, so I don't need a lot of extra files. And to do that, we can jump back over into ArcMAP and simply just open up each of these attribute tables. So I'm going to right click, open up my attribute table, and I know my population density is out here at the end, so I have pop per square mile in this case here. I simply right click on the field column heading and go to statistics. And I'm going to look for the average. So the mean here is 4,617.76 people per square mile. So I can simply either copy that or remember that in my head. I could also just round it off to 4,618 and then just simply jump back over to Excel and type that in. And I'm going to do the same for 2000 and 2010. Now again, I don't do this for large data sets. I only do it for small amounts like this when I just want some real quick trend options. And again, I know it's out here at the end of my table. Right click on the field heading, get statistics. 3857 is, round that off. Type that in the appropriate place, come back over and do it one last time for 2010. So open my attribute table all the way out, get my statistics. 3159 in this instance. So you can see here that the population density for Dane County, with working with this data set, is going down decade by decade. Now we can go ahead and create a chart by simply selecting things here. And if we go to our insert, and as we talked about in my class, we want to talk about trends in terms of line graphs because it shows that increase or decrease very simply, but just to get a quick idea in a quick chart here. Now we'll go over how to customize all this stuff at another time, but that's how you get some kind of what I would call some real quick basic trends using your census data. Now this can be used for any of the other variables in the census. But we're just working with population density here. So that concludes this video. Thanks.